List of 40 common sentences you might use when talking about success. 1. Success doesn't happen overnight. 2. I believe hard work is the key to success. 3. It's important to define what success means to you. 4. Success is a journey, not a destination. 5. I'm proud of how far I've come. 6. Small steps lead to big successes. 7. Success is often about perseverance. 8. Failure is just a stepping stone to success. 9. Setting goals helps me stay focused on success. 10. I feel motivated when I see others succeed. 11. True success is about being happy with what you achieve. 12. I always try to learn from successful people. 13. Success requires dedication and discipline. 14. One of the best feelings is achieving your goals. 15. Everyone measures success differently. 16. I set milestones to track my progress towards success. 17. It's important to celebrate even small successes. 18. Success means staying positive even when things get tough. 19. Success isn't just about money, it's about fulfillment. 20. You have to stay patient to achieve true success. 21. I try to stay humble despite my successes. 22. Success is built on the foundation of good habits. 23. Learning from mistakes has helped me succeed. 24. Surrounding yourself with positive people fuels success. 25. I find inspiration in stories of success. 26. Success requires a lot of sacrifice. 27. I believe in working smart as well as hard for success. 28. Planning ahead helps me achieve success. 29. I remind myself that success is not always linear. 30. Having a mentor has contributed to my success. 31. It's important to stay humble after achieving success. 32. Success feels best when it's shared with others. 33. Taking risks is part of achieving success. 34. Being consistent has been crucial for my success. 35. I always stay motivated by keeping my goals in sight. 36. Success is sweeter after overcoming challenges. 37. It's inspiring to look back at past successes. 38. Success is built from determination and resilience. 39. Gratitude helps me appreciate my success more. 40. I keep striving because success is always evolving.